Hi everyone, how's it going? Hope you're all good. So as lots of you know, I've got to clear out probably 20-25 cars, so this is going to be the start of the videos of some of the cars that I've got to go and not going to get built. It's a real shame, but that's what I've got to do. So here come a few videos of some cars that I'm not going to do. The reason I've got to do this is I'm losing half my storage, so I'm going to have to half my cars basically. Got no choice. I'm also moving house soon as well, so going to have limited space there as well. So this has got to be done. This one is already sold and someone's going to get a really good project. There's hardly any work to do on it. A little bit of rust here and there, but nothing to worry about. Door guards want sorting out and a few other little bits and pieces. But starts and drives, goes like a rocket. Lovely little car. And one I really wanted to do, but this is the way things go. This is life. Got to do what we've got to do. So as you can see, it's a really nice car really that could be put on the road, MOT quite easily. Just a couple of little bits done on the sills. It's got loads of paperwork as you can see here for all sorts of receipts and bills and stuff that are done, like alternator, start motor, gearbox rebuilt, all sorts of things, head gasket, and the list goes on. But shame, but someone's going to get a really good project and hopefully give it a repaint and get it on the road very soon. So good luck to them. Here's a few clips of the car running and getting it put on the trailer ready to go. New starter motor fitted, as you can see. Just about down there. Brand new starter. Running lovely. Bit of smoke coming out the back, that's just the water and the exhaust. We'll make a nice project for someone. So put her up for sale at a reasonable price, which was $15.95. Took an offer of 15. Phone went crazy, didn't stop ringing. Then decided to do a big long delivery with it as well, and got paid to obviously take it there. So had a long day out and a long night out as well. So you can see us putting on a trailer here ready to go. It's a real shame I didn't get a chance to do it. Never know, in the future another one might come up if I'm lucky, but just have to do what you have to do in life sometimes, and I didn't get a choice. I just got to move some cars. As you can see here, the missus and the boy came with me. We made a sort of day of it, had a meal out and delivered the car at the same time. So it's goodbye to this one. I'd just like to say thanks for watching the channel, and I will be doing some more cars. Just got to clear it out of these up first, and then we'll get back on the cars that we were doing. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video.